Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to HTC Desire 628. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices and tap on the search bars. Now type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Following that, open it. I already did that on HTC because it was taken forever to download, so I can open it right away. And now from this screen over here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now select receive on HTC and send on an Android. Following that, tap on all of those dots and choose send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one file like this photo. Choose send and tap on got it. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on HTC and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and tap on receive. And now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!